Amit Bharadwaj joining us live with more on this as well. So Amit, certainly it seems like although there has been a bit of a relief for the Sachin Pilot camp, there might be some steps now being taken by Ashok Gehlot as well as his camp as well. Now we are expecting that he will be meeting shortly from now the governor as well. What more steps are we expecting from his side now that the next hearing in the Supreme Court will happen on Monday?
Now he's meeting his MLAs in the Fairmount Hotel only, and he is also discussing that what will be the new next step, because now this is finally decided, and the governor has already given a time after 12:30. So I can show you the visuals. You can see the arrangements being done here for the police. So any important moment, the police set up two routes here for Golf 1 and Golf 2. So now the both routes have been set up. You can see clearly that now the police is here and security is beefed up. So now after he done a meeting with his MLAs, he can come directly with his MLAs to Governor House. Now this can be interesting to see that what exactly is going to happen in next hour. So now these are the visual where you can see outside the Governor House that the security beefed up and even the important route being set up here. So now we have to see, wait and watch that what exactly the next move that Gehlot can take. But he definitely can ask for the session because when the Sachin Pilot put a question mark and other MLAs also in the petition that assembly was not in motion and how can they call for the whip. So now they can also come in front of the governor with his MLAs and also ask for the special session of assembly. So now we need to see that what exactly happen in the next hour, that Sachin Gehlot will come with his MLAs, and he is, because there is a big relief for the Sachin Pilot camp, and now the Gehlot can come anytime with his MLAs because he's meeting his MLAs and doing a meeting with them. So now the next step, he'll come here, meet the governor, and definitely will ask for the special session of the assembly. Yes.
Right. In fact, Amit, stay with us. We'll also go across to my colleague Nalini joining us from the national capital. So, Nalini, we do know that there was a bit of a relief given to Sachin Pilot camp. In fact, the status quo has been maintained for now, which comes as a relief for the Sachin Pilot camp. But what would this mean for the speaker now? What is the next steps that they can take? Because till Monday is when we are expecting a hearing to happen in the Supreme Court. The speaker cannot disqualify the MLAs. But now we are seeing how Ashok Gehlot, along with his camp, will be meeting the governor. Will he seek for more time, or will there be a call for a session?
Well, Richard, the Speaker, in effect, has been barred by the Rajasthan High Court to not pass any orders on the disqualification of these MLAs. So the Speaker essentially can't really do anything except for make a case before the Supreme Court of India to try and get this entire order of the Rajasthan High Court overruled or quashed. But at the same time, we need to remember that the Speaker in itself is also a constitutional authority. So the judgment of the Rajasthan High Court is not necessarily binding on the Speaker, which is why even on the last time around, when the Rajasthan High Court had asked the Speaker to defer the decision till Friday, which is when they were expected to pronounce the order, they'd made a request to the Speaker and not directed the Speaker. Because they can't direct the Speaker, because one constitutional authority cannot direct another constitutional authority. So keeping that in mind, the Speaker, we'll have to wait and see exactly what kind of case is made out by the Speaker of the Rajasthan Assembly before the Supreme Court on Monday, because it's going to be a very crucial hearing, especially for him, because his powers essentially seem to have been curbed by the Rajasthan High Court right now. But all of that can be changed if in case the Assembly actually goes into session and the governor accepts this request that is being made by Ashok Gehlot as well as his MLAs, that an urgent Assembly session should be convened as soon as possible. So in case that happens, then the matter is going to be entirely different. But we'll have to wait and watch out for the further developments in the day to see exactly how the governor is going to react to Ashok Gehlot's request.
All right, so we are expecting the court proceedings to happen on Monday. We'll go back to, in fact, Amit now. Amit is outside in Jaipur at this point. Amit, what are you picking up at this point when it comes to, we do know that the Chief Minister is holding a meeting with all his MLAs and expecting to go to the governor for further. What are we expecting and what are you picking up from the Ashok Gehlot camp at this point? Will they seek a session now or will they parade their MLAs?
Probably they call for the session, as we are learning from our sources. Probably he called for he can meet Governor with his MLAs, and then definitely expecting that he should call assembly session. So now, because when he called assembly session, he also called the other MLAs after the whip. So they have to present in front of now. He will come with the MLAs and see that whether the governor will allow them for the assembly session or not. But he definitely calls for the, as we are learning from our sources, he definitely calls for the assembly session, and where he also invite the other MLAs, the 19 MLAs whose position was there in the Rajasthan High Court, and stated that assembly was not in motion, that how can a speaker or the whip can be called. So, and the notice been sent to the
Right.
Sachin Pilot's camp. So they also put a question mark on that how without the assembly in motion.
So certainly
called,
fast-paced
for a whip
developments happening from Rajasthan even as we speak right now. In fact, we are expecting for Ashok Gehlot camp to meet the governor any point in the next few minutes. We'll wait and see what happens. Thank you so much, Amit, Nalini, as well as Anuj, for joining us with more on this. Moving on now.